Hey guys, welcome back to Jeff the Soul TV News. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video and also comment on the section down below. So we've been talking about this in is 2 days back, even Izolo, we were talking about this even namhlanje, early today, as it is Sunday. We talked about this. So yenzeka lento bafethu ke njengoba ke Big Brother was supposed to announce iwinner yethu ke ya 2 million. So kwenzekile ke bafethu, and besazi vele ke kuthiwa ke Sweet Guluva crowned the winner of Big Brother Mzansi season 5, the winner highly anticipated finale of Big Brother Mzansi season 5 has come to an electrifying conclusion, with Sweet Guluva emerging as ultimate winner of one of Africa's biggest reality TV shows. So yeah, njengoba ke abantu abaningi kade beqaqula nganza bethi ukuthi okay fine, this is going to be the person othatha ke i-crown yokuthi ke abe i-winner. Sekwenzekile ke njengoba abantu bebevele futhi belindele. So mfethu, you can comment on the section down below as mhlambe ke ukuthi ke wena uzizwa kanjani njengoba ke kuwine ke uSweet Guluva. Ubukulindele, ubungakulindele, if ever ubungakulindele ke yini eyenza ukuthi ke usho kanjalo. Anyways mfethu, congratulations to umuntu ke owinile. Okunye nokunye asikubone la ku comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.